Guys, we are in the park and we were playing the football. So we decided to do a short debate
All
on
right.
to whether they increase the screen time or decrease it.
All right.
So there are two teams with us. Team A.
विवाद नहीं है आंटी जी इधर चलो लेट्स कंटिन्यू
So team A. What's your team name?
Our team name is Ederson.
And your team leader?
I've done Mehra.
व्हाट्स योर नेम
Your good name?
Kian Mehra.
And team B, your team name and
Adolf Hitler.
and your team leader good name?
Yuvraj.
Yuvraj. Okay, let's start.
Alright, let's start guys.
Give some point on why we should decrease the screen time. What's your opinion on that?
We should decrease our screen time because we are utilizing our free time, wasting our free time in social media apps and using mobile phones. Instead, we can increase our reading abilities, increase our vocabularies, etc.
But
by
sometimes
reading
it can be beneficial to social media. It can be beneficial for most of the people. Continue.
हाँ
Okay, he is taking time as we have seen. Why we should increase the screen time? Give reasons. Don't laugh.
say any particular name he will say.
Okay.
Madhav you say why we need to increase screen time why it's good.
Who developed social media? Who thinks why we develop social media?
So why his question is
It
increase
was not the right answer.
right
what I have
answer.
asked.
He asked about increasing the screen time. We should हमें ज़्यादा देखनी चाहिए screen or not. That is.
It is screen time is very helpful in our studies and everything. It is very helpful in also learning the kitchen work that we can do, and by increasing the screen time.
Everywhere, not in the particular kitchen means you can it help us a lot in lot of place. Like if I'm an engineer, if I need to search anything, I can go and Google it. So that is also a search time.
And if we decrease the
You are not supposed to say the decrease. Decrease, they will say.
These are the-
can I interrupt?
Yeah, go ahead.
If you talk about studies, there are many books and novels you can do for
Exactly.
kitchen
So,
work.
exactly.
And-
What is his point? It is not necessary of the mobile or
use
any
the
digital
mobile.
things. So the
use
book
the
is
book.
alternative
Yes.
of
The
that.
old way.
So why in the olden days we were using we don't have a mobile, we don't have a laptop. So in spite of that, we were doing a good job at that time. So yeah, keep doing it. Continue.
And if you are increasing your screen time, it can also cause many eye problems such as myopia and
Good.
hypermetropia.
Oh,
then
great.
you have other books why need to increase your screen time.
And one question I want to ask from this group, that the increasing in screen time is a necessity or the waste of time? Since it's necessity.
It is very helpful if we use it in a good manner, and if we see the screen time moderately, it would really help us to catch up with the news and
New ideas.
What's your
new
point about
ideas.
about this
And,
topic?
He is
and,
right. It
but
gives us really a new point.
But it is also really helpful in buying goods online, and like in the pandemic coronavirus.
Yes.
Yes,
was
it
It
very
helped to
helpful.
search the medicine as well. He's right. If we cannot go to the doctor place and we
Yeah.
want to know
If we
what is the
don't
medicine
use
name.
the screen, then it would not be possible for the world to be healthy.
Healthy. So that is also a good point. So what do you
What's
think?
your opinion on
He's
this
right.
topic?
Medicine, if we want to take
Any
it, though, it help us.
Like in pandemic lockdown.
What was the impact after pandemic lockdown on screen time?
You all three, anyone can say.
It was beneficial or harmful?
Let's think about it. We will get back to you. Meanwhile, once again, we come to this point, baby. Like, what's your name, baby?
Darsh.
Darsh, what is your opinion about the increase? Think about that. Meanwhile,
So
all right?
it's not a waste of time to increase your screen time. You can, and nowadays there are many things like ChatGPT and AI, so we can search anything on that and we will get the solution very quickly and easily.
All right, that is also a good point. There is a GPT, chat GPT, we can type anything on it. Even if we are not aware how to write down that sentence, we can type on the GPT and we can search how to write that. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
All right. So let
you
back.
think
Are
about the opinion?
what your opinion about that? Screen time increase.
That you are had it is food. You are sending it. You are sad in social media, and people are entertaining.
People are entertaining through the movies, series. If they want to freshen up their mind.
And you are also doing it. You are.
Yes, we good example. What he said. I am making a video. We are using a screen time. I'm in the front of the screen time. Getting his point.
That's
So that's good also. Like great.
That's also
So yes, he
Have you
said about
think
the pen time. What was his question? Pandemic
That
time.
pandemic effect, what is your opinion? It has become beneficial or harmful?
According to me, it is harmful because it doesn't take time. It doesn't take much time of searching medicines and about getting aware about news spreading here and there. And like Dust Tandon has said about the Chat GPT, it makes us not self independent, but it really makes us rely on such AI that we are not sure that will go give the accurate answers.
yes. He's right.
Accurate
What he's
answers
saying.
to us.
Who will explain? Explain him what he want to try. Actually, want to say us.
The team B said that just
No, what his opinion was. What he was exactly
he
saying.
was saying that sometimes Chat GPT or any AI not give the accurate answer what we want.
Absolutely right.
It's
And
not
there is
necessary
even
to
no
rely on them
necessary
all the
to.
times.
Yes.
We should be self-confident that we can do it.
Yes, he's right. Even in the my earlier, I was using a dictionary, Oxford dictionary. But nowadays, I never see that dictionary anywhere. In the olden days, every one house, even if you are a student, you must have that dictionary, Oxford dictionary. But nowadays, I cannot see the dictionary anywhere. Absolutely right. How many have a dictionary here? You all have that. That's good. But nowadays, I see it. The volume is very less. But everyone, whatever the question comes, they type on the Google or GPT. They get the answer. So that is also the negative point. Yes. Anything? Yes. You want to say something?
it is not like that we will not get accurate answers if by screen we cannot get accurate answers. Human also makes mistakes, and it is not also possible that a human cannot make mistakes. And it
Means human cannot make a mistake, but he's talking about dictionary. You have an alternative, like AI can make a what was your fight with him?
Like I'm saying, that ChatGPT makes us very rely on such AIs that makes us not independent, and also sometimes ChatGPT also gives
You reply.
inaccurate
You reply
answers.
to him.
uh, it means that it does not give completely accurate answer, but you get too attracted to the phone that you forgot that you can give your own answers too. So you basically fully rely on ChatGPT. So
Alright.
it is like that. In a book, there's only information about like one subject. Like
All right. Yes. Particular
by-
one subject.
but
Yes.
By artificial intelligence, we can ask any subject question without buying more books, and that saves our money and time also for the.
Very good option.
beneficial.
Explain it. Elaborate this. Yes.
He said that by using Chat GPT, we get all the things in one.
One roof. We can get everything in a one
It's
roof.
Cost beneficial and time beneficial also.
Absolutely right.
For that
Even
we
we
have to
don't
not buy
need.
different books.
Yes.
Search for different books.
Absolutely.
All the thing we get in just one single application. That's
Absolutely
What we
right.
want to search.
Absolutely right. Great. But we no need to get a space. Like for books, we need a space.
Yes.
We need a Almira for keep this all the books. But for the screen, we don't need anything. That's also good. Yes. What's your opinion?
Talking about the prices, we can also go to the public libraries to read the books or find any answers.
That's the point, man.
But,
But yes, but
in the books there is also misprinting sometimes.
yes, sometimes there is a no page.
So,
Like they cut the page or
We
something.
have to find what we want. For that, the time goes.
If
waste.
there is a no index.
For the specially abled people,
Mhm.
it is not possible to go to the public library,
Yes.
and
Yes.
they can
Very healthy
use,
competition is going on.
Use
Yeah.
e-books. for-
e-books they can use, and then they can without taking their vehicle to the library, they can read books online, and that would also affect in the AQI level that is being affected in Delhi.
Can you explain him what he's saying?
Because vehicles produce a lot of pollution, and if we
Great, yeah, great.
go to
Guys, explain him. He said really well, yeah.
He said
What
that
what
the-
on which class you are in, baby?
8.
8th. What's your name?
My name is Kian.
What's
Kian Mehra,
which school you are in?
Somerville School, Noida.
You are in Somerville. Guys, देख रहे हैं आप? Thoughts. Somerville School, 8th standard. The thought, the answers, the how the views are coming. Do you think? What do you use? You use a book more, or you use the laptop more, or you don't see the mobile? You just get an idea from your mind whenever you get any homework. So what? When you pick the mobile to search anything, or when you pick the book to search?
I use the mobile phone very wisely
Wisely.
as it is very helpful in my studies. If we get things from a mobile phone, that would save our money, time, and it would also help us to catch up in our studies. And if we cannot get to a person by a car or by things, then we can also book like
Guys,
Rapido
absolutely right.
Transportation.
transportation.
What he want to say?
I
Explain.
want to say that through the screen time, if someone not has a vehicle or not able to arrange any vehicle, if you want to go anywhere urgent, so he can book a vehicle from the screen.
Oh, if he said about the library,
person not
if you
has
want to
any
reach
vehicle.
to the library and if you don't have a vehicle and if it is far from your place, then
You can
what
use
you
the screen
need?
to
You
book
need a mobile or application from where you can book the
Or
taxi.
send a
or-
parcel to someone who is far
Great.
away and
Yes.
you don't have that time.
So great, great. And one more point, what he said, it reduced the pollution as well.
As you have
You
seen in
ignore
Delhi
that,
NCR,
yes.
The AQI has level increased.
AQI level is very
Some people
increased.
don't use electric till now.
Yes.
They prefer petrol vehicles.
Yes.
So
So
they can use this application Blinkit and all which deliver groceries, because as all the delivery partners use electric vehicles, which saves the pollution.
So what he said, that was good he said, or what you think?
It is good.
What he said, did you catch that?
Yeah.
What was that?
He said we can use screen time and
Book the vehicle.
book the vehicle,
Yes.
and that is not polluted.
Yes, and
because it is electrical also.
so we can book your vehicle. We
I
can.
have also
pollution.
example of screen time.
Yes. What example?
My grandparents live in Vrindavan.
Hmm.
My grandmother has not
Pass.
feeling well,
Hmm.
so that is urgent. So my grandfather called me. That is also screen time.
To get in touch who is far away from us.
Yes. So to touch it with the doctor
Yes.
and.
Nowadays we can book an appointment of doctor from screen.
Good. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. What you were saying before?
Talking about his AQI, India is also producing many e-vehicles like e-rickshaws, e-cars and e-bikes. And the prices he told, if you fully be on screen time, it can cost many IDCs. Then what is the point of spending money if you can't see?
Yes.
What he said.
He said that lots of companies in India are producing e-vehicles.
Yes.
But what's the cost of increasing the screen time, because it harms our eyes, and the cost of wearing the eyes operation is very expensive.
Yes.
So
No,
it is
it's
not
donator. We need a donator to
Yes.
donate some eyes.
Instead
Then
of
you
that, we can go to the market and buy
that
this,
green.
which will
Oh,
reduce
I
the
got it.
screen time also.
What he was saying about the pollution, guys, and he was talking. If you are using a e-vehicle, then there is a no possibility for the
We can
pollution.
use our
That's
own mode.
that's your motto was. All right. So
We can go
that
by
is also a good
walk
point.
also,
Yeah.
which also reduces the pollution. Same.
Reduce the pollution and it help to increase the manufacturing. For the e-vehicle manufacturing, we need a manpower. We need a place.
It
So
also
we got a
increases the
job.
growth of the
more
country
growth of
in
the country.
e-vehicles.
That is also good point.
Reduces the pollution in the vast city like Delhi NCR.
Hmm.
So-
Good topic. Yeah. What do you want to
It
say?
is not like that by watching screen it would totally harm our eyes that we could not even see. it does not affect our eyes by watching a lot of screen time, but it only makes our eyes a little tired. Then talking about e-vehicles, and it is not possible for the half of the population of
afford it.
Indian to afford the price of e-vehicles. And as he said, as increasing screen time is because we can send emails, and instead of using the envelopes we give, and
Correct.
that would save a
Paper
lot of
saver. Paper,
And,
tree, plants.
Invitation for marriage, any
that would
party,
again
we can send through WhatsApp,
yeah.
through screens, instead of wasting the paper.
yeah,
But
like
but
envelopes.
eyes is harming when we are seeing food because that is very small. But we have also TV that is very big.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can, now there
So
are
what
like,
does it mean by small and big? What is
So,
concept about it?
That is
So
next generation 2025.
So if you have a big screen, then it will not harm your eyes.
So if we have a
It
distance from a
takes
screen time,
it takes more time
If
like
we see a big screen from a distance, it will not harm us.
it would not.
We want to say
it-
that
the,
only.
Okay.
The harm to our eyes would be decreased very less. And now if we
If
talk-
screen is big, then your
Yes,
harm is
yeah.
it will not
And
affect
now
your
if
eyes
we
more.
talk about 2026 generation, it is now we are able to buy big iPads that would help us to do many work without
Yes.
harming our screen time.
What is your opinion? He said if you use a big screen laptop or big screen
iPad.
tab, iPad, or a big TV or a big phone which has a more big screen, that will not affect our eyes. So what do you think about this guy? Is he right?
That would
I
be
think he is partially right because
So
the precaution he mentioned is very good about keeping our eyes safe. But talking about big screens, it takes it is highly costly to push charge some tablets or laptops.
To afford the tablets,
for
tablets,
some
costly.
tablets and laptops.
what? Yeah, go ahead.
And talking about the cost, he mentioned like some people are not able to afford e-rickshaws or book a ride of e-rickshaws. So so we can through the mobile we can book it. But according to me, in mobile it is more costly about.
Yes.
Because in
How much book cost or how much
Yes.
more laptop cost or how much
And
mobile
also
cost?
it reduces